my friend Jocelyn. We're gonna be doing a challenge. I'm not sure if it's made up, but I guess she just made it up. So we're gonna have, which one's yours? That one. Okay, so we have spoons and we have beer salt. So yeah, we're supposed to fill it up, fill the spoon up, and we will see who finishes it first. Whoever finishes it last has to get their makeup done.
Yeah.
With their eyes closed.
And
the painter is gonna have
and then post a picture of them in Instagram.
Yeah. So. No, nothing's coming out. You know what? I'm scared.
And this is gonna be fun. We should probably get something here.
Do you have waters?
Yeah.
That didn't happen. Okay. Okay.
Oh my
Wait.
gosh.
1.
I love you, Mom.
I love you, God. 2, 3.
I Oh my god.
You weren't supposed to put it all in your mouth. You have a